Okay. This is all three of our kids, Sean, Peyton, and Bella.
Nobody's gonna spit on anybody.
Someone's won.
We're all doing the cinnamon challenge.
My 7th time, their first time.
Yes, yes.
Ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
Come on, swallow it. Come on, swallow. Sean. And here's Sean, not doing anything.
Sean's
Are you
okay.
swallowing?
Swallow. I swallowed. That's the challenge.
Let me see your face.
Is that yours?
Come on, Sean.
That is so funny.
Swallow.
Sean, just swallow it.
I can't eat it.
He's truly trying.
No, he kept it in there that whole time. Ew, it's in my nose.
My tongue.
Yeah, my tongue started to burn.
It's all burning.
Bella, she's pretty cool. Like whatever.
Speak up high.
And what did you think, Sean?
You gonna spit it out?
Sour? Since when is cinnamon sour?
Did you spit it out?
Yeah, he didn't even try swallowing it. He just kept it in his mouth.
Oh.
I did try to swallow it. But I was trying to get it.
I love you.
That is so funny.
I was trying to get it. Oh damn.